Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back again with me. In this video, I will give some presentation about MikroTik. In the last video, I was giving some presentation about networking models. So in this video, I will give some presentation about IP address and subnetting. So let's go to the presentation. So in the chapter 4, which is IP address and subnetting, I will explain about the introduction of IP address and subnetting, IP public and IP private, classful and classless addressing, subnetting cases, subnet block concept, switch and router concept. Introduction IP address and subnetting. When a device wants to connect to another device, be it wired or wireless, of course it requires an identity name on each device. This identity is called an IP address. Subnetting is an effort or process to break down a network with large number of hosts into several networks with fewer hosts. The subnetting technique makes the network scale wider, and it's not limited by the IP classes A, B, and C that have been set. IP address and public and private. In short, public IP is an IP that is used on the internet and can be accessed from anywhere. So for example, you can access facebook.com, youtube.com, and so on. And unconsciously, you are accessing the respective public IP owned by them as long as your device is connected to the internet. Private IP addresses are commonly used within a local network and cannot be accessed directly from the internet. This is an important part of the concept known as network address translation (NAT), which allow multiple devices within a local network to use a single public IP address to communicate with the internet. Classful and classless addressing. Classful is IP addressing based on class. The prefix is default, and the classless is IP addressing not based on class. The prefix is adjusted to the host to be used so that it is not waste. For the example, if you have 12 PC in a room, you just need 12 hosts, and in /8 is 16 million hosts that can be used. So it will get waste because we just use 12 hosts. So the prefix is adjusted to the host to be used so that it is not waste, which is you can use /28, which is it has 16 value of the host. Subnetting case. To perform the subnetting process, we will perform several processes such as appropriate prefix, subnet mask, IP network, IP broadcast, and IP range that can be used. So prefix shows the number of IP that can be used. Subnet mask representation of the prefix, indicating the number of IP that can be used. IP network address marking on a LAN network. IP broadcast is IP address that used to send information to all hosts on the LAN network. Range IP shows the IP that is available and can be used. So for the example is if you have 12 PC in some room, you just need 12 hosts. And to calculate the prefix, you need to find 2 powers of that the value is close to the host. So in this case, the close value to the host is 2 to the power of 4, which is 16. So 2 to the powers of 4 have 16. To calculate the prefix is 2 to the powers of 32, which is from the IP address value, which is have 4 octet, and in the 1 octet have 8 value. So the value is 32 and minus 4. The 4 is come from the 2 to the powers of 4, which is 16. So the answer is 2 to the powers of 28 or /28. So the prefix is /28, and the total IP is 2 to the powers of 32 minus the prefix, which is 28. So the answer is 2 to the powers of 4, and the answer is 16 host that total IP is 16, and in the subnetting is 256 minus the total IP, which is 16. So the subnet mask is 255.240. IP network is starts with 0, and you must add the total IP. After 0, you add the total IP, which is 16 to 32 and 48 and 64 until 256. And in the IP broadcast is you choose the second value of IP network, which is 16, and you must add the -1. So the IP broadcast is 15 and then 31, 47, 63 until 255. So the range is, for the example, I will choose the IP address class C, and because the prefix is class C, which is /28, in this case is /24 until /28, and the /28 is the prefix that we use in this case. So because the class C is just need to find the last octet value, so the range is 162.168.1 and the range is from the IP network until 162 and until the IP broadcast, which is 15. And you should know you cannot use this IP because unavailable online, and the usable is 162.168.1, and you must add one value to the to the last octet. So it will 162.168.1.1 until 162, and until the last octet is 14, and because you must give negative one to the last octet in this case. So in the from the 162.168.1.1 until 162.168.1.14 is the total IP that can be used is 14 hosts. Yeah. And then next, subnet block concept. There is an IP network, IP broadcast, like to earn. The subnet must be in the same order to communicate. So if you choose for the example, if you choose the 0 IP network is 0 and the IP broadcast is 15, you can communicate with this range of IP. But if you want to communicate with the other block, for the example is 32, IP network is 32 and the IP broadcast is 47, you cannot communicate with them because it has the different block subnet. IPv4 delivery type. There is 3 types, which is unicast, one-to-one communication. So the source will give some information direct to one network device. And multicast is one-to-many communication. So the source will give some information to a group. For the example is if the PC1 and PC2 is in the same group, the source will give some information to a specific group that have been set, and the broadcast is one-to-all communication. So the source will give some information to all the network device that is connected to the source. Switch and router concept. Switch is connect the devices that are on the same network. For the example is like this. So there are 3 PC that connected to the switch, so they can communicate with each other. And router connects the device on different networks. So if the network 1 wants to communicate with the network 2, it needs a router to mediate the switch so they can communicate. That is my presentation. Sorry for if there are any wrong or anything. See you next time. Bye bye.